Welcome back to DellyMaths Concepts. What we're looking at today is a remainder theorem question, and it says, determine the other linear factors of the polynomial 3x to the third plus 8x squared minus 20x minus 16, given that x minus 2 is a factor. What this means is that if x minus 2 is a factor, if I should divide x minus 2 into 3x to the third plus 8x squared minus 20x minus 16, I should get a remainder of 0. So I'm going to carry out this multiplication. Remember, we only focus on using the x to divide into these, right? So basically, that's what we're about to do. So we're going to execute. So x into 3x to the third will leave us with 3x squared. So the same principle in terms of you divide, you multiply, you subtract, and you bring down. We're going to execute that same principle. So we're going to multiply 3x squared times x minus 2. So 3x squared times x is going to give us 3x to the third. 3x squared times 2 is going to give me minus 6x squared. So as you can see, I did multiply. So now I'm going to subtract. Think about this. 3x squared minus 3x to the third minus 3x to the third is a 0. But 8x squared minus 6 will give us 14. So this is now 14x to the second. I'm going to bring down this part. So I'm going to bring down the negative 20x. So now I'm going to divide the x minus 2 into 14x squared minus 20. So x into 14x squared will give me positive 14x. Then I'm going to multiply 14x times x minus 2. So I'm going to get 14x squared. 14x times the negative 2 is going to give me negative 28x. And we subtract. 14x squared minus 14x squared is gone. Negative 20x minus minus. And here it is, we have a minus minus here. So this is positive 28. So it's going to leave me with 8x because this is positive right there. Then I'm going to bring down that negative 16. Finally, x into 8x is going to give me positive 8. Then I multiply x times 8 is going to give me 8x. And the 8 here times the negative 2, that's going to give me negative 16. We're at the end. I'm going to subtract. 8x minus 8x, that's a 0. Negative 16 minus 16 becomes positive 16, which in the end will give us 0. So you could see that x minus 2 is really a factor because when we divided throughout, we got a remainder of 0. But here's the thing. What we have here is that x minus 2 times 3x squared plus 14x plus 8, it's equal to what we start off with, which is 3x to the third plus 8x squared minus 20x minus 16. They did ask for linear factors, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this here, and then I'm going to factorize again. So let's just zoom in on this. So this is just a regular trinomial. So my a is 3 and my c is 8. So you could see that AC is going to give me 24. That's 3 times 8, that's 24. To get a 14 here, right? To get a 14 here, you could see that 12 and 2 could help us to get a 14. So what we're going to do is to factorize. Take a look. So 3x squared plus 12x, right? Plus 2x plus 8. So let us factorize quickly. So what we're looking at here is using 3x, I'm going to have x plus 4. And then using 2 here, I'm going to actually have x plus 4. So as you could see, let's just flesh this out. We have x plus 4, and then we have 3x plus 2. Now, these are the two linear factors that came from the last piece. So let us finalize what we really have. My linear factors are as follows. The one that they start us off with is x minus 2. We end up finding x plus 4 and 3x plus 2. And this is all equal to 3x to the third plus 8x squared minus 20x minus 16. So here are the linear factors.